Love is what? I trust that I love you. Why? Because you have blue eyes, gone. Then it is not a love. Because reasoning cannot be there. It should be by trust. First of all, there is at the topmost level, there is a trust. Trust is again hollow. Trust is that neutral is a trust. How you know that the neutral is working? Can you tell me?
You get current or not?
Yes, no, therefore, because the light is on, so must be that the neutral is working. It is your trust that it is working. Because you see the activity, you have decided. You cannot dig it out and find out that it is working or not. There is nothing. So the trust is that, we can say. So trust is not a belief. Trust is not something that which proves. People say that if you do this, I will trust you. I said, better you don't trust me. So why you want me to do something? If you want to trust me, then trust, otherwise don't trust. And the trust me is also something absurd. There is no me. One should say, I trust. That is the highest level. Then comes the same name, it comes down and say, I love. Love is what? I trust that I love you. Why? Because you have blue eyes, gone. Then it is not a love. Because reasoning cannot be there. It should be by trust. I looked into the eyes and something happened and I trust you. That I love you, you love me. Finish. That can happen only at a very high level, samadhi. We don't know. I'm sorry, maybe some of you have experience, but we have a very love idea is our physical idea. So when the child is there, he is innocent. And at that level, he looks into the eyes of the mother or the guest. Suddenly Balaji comes and looks into hello, hello, and he starts crying. Because he sees fear in my eyes maybe. But when the mother comes and looks into it and he smiles. He has a trust in the mother. He doesn't understand that she was keeping me 9 months in the womb, or she is the mother who is going to take care of me in the future, or I have to live together in this house. But he has a trust in it is eye contact. Without reasoning, the child does. When the children, they grow little bit, then the love is a different understanding that presents. Every child is looking for present. So it is my birthday, my happy birthday. The one who gives a nice present say, oh nice, I love you. It is the exchange of material. We should not totally depend on presents, sex, but look the eye contact and try to look that if we can trust without reason, without seeing, without doing anything. And if that develops, then the old age is always happy. Because afterwards the physical present, the house is full, there is no place to keep anything. So no presents now. The presents have no value. If you bring anything, she will say, what is this? At the age when she is 22, I bring a nice, this garland in the hair, Gajra, and she is very happy, oh nice, and let us go today, we wanted to go for a drama or walk. When she is 50, I bring that she says, Kashala and la Gajra. Why you have brought this? And where we are going tonight? And now we will eat and we will sleep. Slowly, these presents, they don't count anything. The sex will be counting maybe, but the physical body and the time doesn't allow. So by that time, if you have started developing the trust and love real, what is it called love? Then the life is one. Then you are happy until goes.